Hello everyone, I Govinda Gahine, lecturer in mining department at Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekanand Technical University, Bhilai. Today I will discuss about lecture number 23. The topic is loading an excavator in mines. The following are the contents of these topics. First is the introduction. Second one is type and loading of machines. Third, shovels. Fourth, dragline. Fifth, dozers. 6, front end loaders. 7, surface miners. 8, bucket wheel excavator, etc. So first I will discuss about introduction. In mine, blasted ore, coal or rock have to be loaded in an efficient manner in surface as well as in underground mines. Various type of loaders or excavator are being used since a longer duration of time. In surface mines, the loading machines and excavators are categorized as heavy earth moving machinery. It's called HEMM. Whereas in underground mines, these machines are constructed in small size. Loader machines includes shovel and dragline in surface mines and HDL, LHD, gathering arm loader in underground mines. Excavator includes surface miners and bucket wheel excavator. Both loading as well as excavator machines are an integral part of mass production technology systems. Types of loading machine. Different types of loading machines in surface mine have been given in the following charts. So the loading unit is divided by rope shovel, next hydraulic excavator, then front end loader. Further, hydraulic excavator are divided in front shovel and backhoe. Then front shovel is further divided by front dump and bottom dump. Then front end loader, next miscellaneous. In the miscellaneous, dragline, surface mining, dozer, scraper and bucket wheel excavator. So next is shovel. Mining shovel, also called power shovel or front shovel, are used to excavate large quantity of soil and rock fragmented in surface or strip mining operation. They are characteristics by their immense size. Mining shovels booms regularly exceeds 60 meter in length and the complete ring can be weighed up to 10,000 tons. Power shovel can have bucket with volume of up to 40 cubic meter. Shovel can be classified as follow. First one is rope shovel, then second is hydraulic shovel. A power shovel, also known as motor shovel, stripping shovel, front shovel, mining shovel or rope shovel, is a bucket equipped machine usually powered by diesel fuel, gasoline or electricity and used for digging and loading earth or fragmented rock and for mineral extraction. Power shovel are a type of rope cable excavator where the digging arm is controlled and powered by winches and steel ropes rather than hydraulic like in the motor common hydraulic excavator. Basic parts of a power shovel includes the track system, cabin, cables, rack, stick, boom, foot pin, saddle block, boom point, sieves and bucket. The size of bucket vary from 0.73 to 53 cubic meters. Shovel can be used in strip mining method, means loading, swinging, dumping of overburden material into the adjoining excavate area by overcasting. In tandem, operation where two or more shovel are used for rehandling of overburden successfully. Shovel pullback operation, in which a combination of a shovel and drag line for handling overburden, digging a deeper cuts, loading and overcasting by the shovel is pull back the spoiled material by a drag line into the excavated area. Removal of overburden in the contour mining in the hilly terrains, overburden removal of topsoil, construction of access roads and haul roads, opening in a mine by box cut systematic. Shovel, basic parts and operation of power shovel. The basic part of power shovel consists of the mounting, crawler track or rubber tire, wheel, cab, boom, dipper stick, dipper and hose line. You can see on the figure where is dipper, stick, cab, crawler, mounting head and rotating center of rotating. Drag line. Drag line falls in heavy equipments category. Drag line excavator is used for civil engineering project and surface mining. Drag line is the largest equipment ever built on this planet. It has the ability to excavate very deep down the earth world. Drag is used because it has the ability to drag material at far distance from the machine. Drag line consists of drag rope, large bucket, boom, hoist rope and driving motors. A large bucket is attached with drag line boom. It is truss-like structure. Bucket is controlled with the help of number of ropes and chains. There are two separate function. Ropes are attached with bucket. There are three types of drag line. First is wheel mounted drag line. Second is crawler type drag line. Third is truck mounted drag line, portable drag line. Drag line is used for road excavation, deep down pile driving, construction of ports and harbors, etc., surface mining, deep down excavation, underwater excavation. The working principle of drag line is drag line drops the bucket on the source and then drag it horizontally. Bucket start tilting as it came closer to the machine. Drag line during working can be seen from the animation. You can see on the figure, it is the diagram of drag line, in which you can see that where is bucket, where is drag chain, where is drag cable, where is its mounting like crawler or tire, where is boom, where is pulley, etc. Loading capacity. A drag line is capable of dealing with the following quantities of rock, earth, solid in a year: 12 to 14 hours work per day. Bucket size millions in meter cube. So 4.5 to 7.5 meter cube means 6 to 10 cycle is 0 to 25 to 0 to 75. Next 11.5 to 15 meter cube is 15 to 20 cycles is 1.2 to 1.7. 25 to 30 meter cube means 30 to 40 cycles is 3 to 4.5. Applicable condition. It is suitable for digging alluvium, sandy soil, unconsolidated rocks or blasted coals. It is generally used for handling softer material on the ground, must be softer, medium, hard ground. Next is dozer. Dozer is a tractor with a pusher blade attached to the front portion. The tractor is the diesel operated power unit equipped with their crawler chains or rubber tires wheels for lifting. The pusher blade can be raised or lowered or tilted through a small angle horizontally by a ram operated pushing loose material or for digging in earth, sand and soft weathered rock. The machine is also engaged for leveling or spreading earth, for leveling of rock spoil in the dumping yard, grading and compacting temporary roads, pushing minerals into subground level bunkers through grizzly for towing dumpers, etc. It also serves the purpose of pushing bulldozers, pulling down trees, and is an essential equipment to push scraper. A dozer equipped with a fork-like attachment is known as reaper and operates like a plow to loosen moderately hard rock. The loosened rock may be loaded by a scraper. A dozer can dig 1.2 meter to 1.5 meter below ground in earth or weathered rock. Typically, bulldozers are large and powerful tracked heavy equipment. The tracked give them excellent traction and mobility through very rough terrains. Wide tracks also help distribute the vehicle's weights over a large area, decreasing ground pressure, thus preventing it from sinking in sandy or muddy ground. Extra wide tracks are known as swamp tracks or low ground pressure tracks. Bulldozers have transmission system designed to take advantage of the track system and provide excellent tractive force. These traits allow bulldozer to excel in road building, construction, mining, forestry, land clearly, infrastructures development, and any other project requiring highly mobile, powerful, and stable earth moving equipment. Bulldozer blades come in the three types. First is straight S blade, short with no lateral curve or side wings, can be used for fine grading. Next, universal U blade, tall and very curved with large size wings to maximize load. Combinations SU or semi-U, shorter with less curvature and small side wings. It is typically used for pushing large rock as at a quarry. Blade can be fitted straight across the frame or at an angle. All can be lifted, some with additional hydraulic cylinders can be tilted to vary the angle up to one side. Sometimes a bulldozer is used to push or pull another piece of earth moving equipment known as scraper to increase productivity. Next, front end loader. A loader is a type of tractor usually wheeled sometime on track that has a front mounted wide bucket connected to the end of two boom arms to scoop up loose material from the ground, such as dirt, sand or gravel, and move it from one place to another without pushing the material across the ground. A loader is commonly used to move a stockpiled material from ground level and deposit it into an awaiting dump truck or into an open trench excavation. The loader assembly may be removable attachment or permanently mounted. Often the bucket can be replaced with other device or tools. For example, many can mount fork to lift heavy plates or shipping container, and a hydraulically opening clamshell bucket allow a loader to act as a light dozer or scraper. Bucket can also be augmented with devices like a blade grapples for handling large bales of hay of straw. Stream maneuverabilities because they are smaller skid steer loaders can access much tighter spaces. Their steering system design also allows them to spin and turn around their central vertical axis. However, the size and maneuverability of these units is accomplished by a sacrifice in size and reach. Therefore, 3 units are best suited for